So we have all durian, all the way down, all the way down. Tonight, we're gonna try durian.
This is it.
Michelle is gonna help us try it. Woohoo! Beth already loves it.
I'm excited. I don't think it's gonna be that bad.
It's gonna be great.
It smells a little fruity. Like not completely like sweaty socks.
Oh, it's gonna be awesome. You're gonna love it.
Oh my!
Smell. The hard part is the seed.
Yeah, the hard. The one in the middle is the seed.
So good.
Yeah, those ones.
Like that?
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah. Get it. Go, Krista, go.
In the count of three.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
That's not that bad.
Yeah!